Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to show you guys how to use the WordNet in NLTK. So the WordNet is a syntax based model to work with natural language processing. So let's start by importing the corpus WordNet. Let's just create a simple example. Let's call syntax. Okay. Syntax. Okay. So let's coordinate dot synsats. Okay, and we pass some word. For instance, we're gonna pass let's say Python. Okay, so we have this word. So we pass syntax. We pass wordnet dot synsats and the word itself. So we have access to a lot of things. So if we want to access, for instance, syntax, let's see that I want to access the definition of Python. So to have access to the definition, I pass object, I pass index 0, and I pass dot definition. Okay, so if I do this, I should be able to see the definition of Python. If this word is is available on the word. So large old world or boas. So not much of not very helpful. Let's try another one. Let's pass computer, which I think would have a better definition. So a computer is basically a machine for performing calculations automatically. So, and if I want to see some example, I could use syntactic 0 dot example. So if I do this, we're gonna see some word which has actually some sentence with this word. Okay, so let's run again. So we don't have any example, unfortunately, but you guys get the idea. So we have the definitions of words, which can be very helpful in trying to understand words, okay, using this method. So thank you guys for watching this video and hope you like it, and see you guys next time.